Hello and welcome to the Vidanta Insider. I'm Jeff.
And I'm Lizzie. We're your guides to everything extraordinary happening across Vidanta's incredible destinations. Think of us as your all-access members pass, giving you an exclusive peek at our unforgettable experiences, upcoming events and entertainment, the creative visionaries behind it all, and even the never-before-seen places that make Vidanta so unique.
So sit back, relax, and get ready. There's a world of discovery ahead.
Here's some sweet news. Did you know that Vidanta Vallarta, Nuevo Nayarit, that has an on-site chocolate factory? That's right. Since 2020, we've been crafting gourmet chocolate and confections in-house using the finest locally sourced ingredients and a team of skilled artisan chocolatiers. The chocolate sculptures and chocolates for sale at La Plaza, the chocolates left in your room, those are all made on property for you to enjoy and to make your vacation that much more decadent. To get an inside look at our chocolate factory, ask your concierge about our guest experiences, like the Heart of the House tour.
This fall, the PGA Tour swings back to Vidanta Vallarta, Nuevo Nayarit for the Vidanta World Mexico Open. Come join us along with some of golf's biggest names for this incredible action-packed event. Broadcast live to millions of fans in more than 200 countries around the world. Save the date for October 29th to November 1st, 2026. Tickets are on sale now at mexicoopen.vidantaworld.com.
Well, that's it for this episode of the Vidanta Insider. We hope you enjoyed hearing about everything new and upcoming at Vidanta.
If what you've heard today inspired your next vacation, your place in paradise is ready. We can't wait to have you come back. Give the customer care team a call at 1-800-292-9446.
See you next time.